Right then, here is a quick video on how to put in a flash quiz into your website. You can see from the page that I have written the word quiz because that's where I am going to put my quiz. So let's go and have a look at the quiz. If I just go to press the start button. And the quiz that I'm going to use is called Half a Min. There it is there, content and net half a min. The other ones you could choose if you wanted to is the one that is multiple choice, because you can have any number of questions you want, but I'm going to go for the first one, which is a bit like the countdown game. So let's type in half a min and just click on it to start the generator working. So I'm going to create a new quiz. I'm going to call it dogs, put my name there and press continue. So in this game you have to unjumble a word by typing it in with a particular clue. So here is the word that I want people to find. Okay, and then here's the clue: type of dog Alfie is. There we go. Next question, and that's going to be bow tie, because that's what Alfie wears around his neck. What Alfie has around his neck. There we go. And you can carry on making question after question after question, but I am finished. So what I do is I go and press the quiz setup button like this, and I press generate quiz, and I make sure that I save my quiz, which is going to be saved as a flash movie, into my web page, and I'm just going to call it quiz and press save. Now if I go to open up that folder, you can see I have got a quiz. There it is. It's a flash file with quiz. So the next stage I need to do is I need to go and write the code to be able to play the quiz on my page. Now the code is going to be found from this checklist here, and I'm going to use this code here. Let me just get rid of the italics like that. I'm going to change it slightly because you can see that this link here is to an MP3. So let's go back to my page, and I'm going to type it in here. So I put crocodile, then the word embed, like that. If I flick back, I can choose the height that I want my quiz to be, and again you can change these to suit. 200, and then width equals, let's choose 400, like that. And then I want the link, which is src, which is source, then equals, and then what I do is I put quotation marks and the name of my quiz file, which is quiz.swf. It's really important that you have that ending, quotation marks. And then autoplay equals false means that it doesn't start straight away, but I shouldn't actually need to have that. I think I just really need to close the funny bracket. I really should have a title. Let me put a title here. Quiz about Alfie. And I'm going to add in another line break. So if I save that, hopefully, if I now go back to here, it's not there, go back to here, and if I refresh, there you go. Here is my game. Now it's a bit small. You can see that 200 by 400 is far too small, so I really need to change that. So if I go back into here, and I'm going to change that, let's make that 600, and let's make that 1000. Let's see if that's any better. Oh yes, look at that, much better. There we go. I can press start and there we go. And we can carry on and carry on, but that basically is how to do a quiz. And it's true for the half a min, and it's true for the multiple choice one. There you go.